Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate crashing, not launching, freezing, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Xbox console. So the first solution is to make sure your game is up to date. Open the menu of the Xbox console, go to My Games and Apps and navigate to Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate game tiles. Press the menu button on the controller while having the game selected. Choose Manage Game and Add-ons. If an update is found, select Start Update and follow the on-screen instruction to update the game. Next solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. Press Xbox Guide button, click on Settings in the Profile and System section. Click on Settings in Profile and System section. Click on System. Click on Updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Now launch the game and check. Third solution is to clear the game cache files. Press Xbox Guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate game and highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click Delete from console while deleting. Fourth solution is to clear persistent storage. Press the Xbox Guide button, click on Settings in Profile and System section. Go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Click on Persistent Storage and then click Clear Persistent Storage. Now launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. Fifth solution is to clear alternate MAC address. Press Xbox Guide button, click on Settings in Profile and System section. Go to General, Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC address. And then click on Clear and then restart your console. Now launch the Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate and check if your problem is fixed or not. Sixth solution is to remove and re-add account. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Click on Settings in Profile and System section. Go to Account, Remove Accounts. Select the account that you want to remove. Select the account in which you are having the problem and then select Remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and see if your problem is solved or not. Run Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate from Store. This is the seventh solution. To do this, type Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate in the search bar and click on it. Then click on Launch Game and see if this helps or not. Eighth solution is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox setting. In the General tab, select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, go to DNS Settings and then click on Manual. Here enter the Google DNS. Enter 8888 for primary DNS and 8844 for secondary DNS. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can enter the Cloudflare DNS, that is 1111 for primary DNS and 1001 for secondary DNS, and then launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to manually select the port. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Click on Settings in Profile and System section. In General tab, select Network Setting, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select Alternate Port Selection, then click on Manual. Click on Select Port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can select the port one by one and see which one works for you. 10th solution is to restart your Xbox to fix overheating and ventilation issues. Make sure your Xbox console is not overheating, as well as check that your Xbox is placed somewhere where there is good ventilation. To fix this issue, just restart your console. Press and hold the Xbox button on your console for 10 seconds. Now wait for and let Xbox to cool down before turning it on again. Now launch Destiny 2 and see if problem is fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate from Xbox console. Then fresh reinstall it. Now launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel and please hype it.